Hey guys, and welcome back to RoboCAD. In this tutorial I will explain you how to use the if-else statements in C# to make decisions in your program, and also you will learn the OR operator as well. So let's begin. So I have created a new project in the Visual Studio, and this is the default program that appears. So we're gonna write our program for the if-else in the main block. So first I'm gonna take the user input first. For that I'm gonna write console.writeLine, and then in the inverted commas I'm gonna say enter your grade. So the grade can be either A, B, C, D, or F. So these are going to be the grades that the user can enter. So I'm gonna enter here a colon and end the line. So in order to take the user input, we must write console.readLine with the two small brackets and a semicolon at the end. But we have to assign this to a variable. So I'm going to declare a variable here, and that variable should be grade, and the data type is going to be string, and I will assign this console.writeLine to that variable grade, right? And then I'm gonna write these comments. So this is the user input, and beneath that we have the if and else statements. So we need to make a decision that if the user has A grade or B grade. So I'm gonna write here grade equal A, or, and in order to write this OR operator I use these two vertical lines, and if the grade equal to B. So if the user has either the grade A or the grade B, then it should display that you are a good student. So this is the block of the if statement, two curly brackets, and in between these two curly brackets I'm gonna write console.writeLine, you are a good student. So if the user say that my grade is A or B, it must say that you are a good student. So I'm gonna run this program, and this is the user input. If the user enter A, it displays you are a good student, and same thing for the B grade as well. So I'm gonna run this program again, and this time I will enter the B grade, and it again says that you are a good student, right? But what about C, D, and F grades? Nothing appears. So let's make those decisions as well. For that I'm gonna write here else if, right? And then in between these brackets I'm gonna write if your grade equal to C, right? Then this is going to be the block of else if statement, and in between these I'm gonna write console.writeLine, and for the C grade let's say that this is an average performance. So in the inverted commas I'm gonna write average performance. You can write anything you like, but I'm gonna write average performance. So I'm gonna run this program again, and let's enter the C grade, and this says that average performance. And this is how we use the if and else statement. So let's make the decisions for the grade D and F. So if the grade equal to D, or, so for OR operator we use these two vertical lines, or if the grade is F, so it should say that you need improvement. So here is the block of else if statement, and here I'm gonna write console.writeLine, and you need improvement. So we have declared all the statements for all the grades. So based on that, if the user enter here D grade, then it says that you need improvement, and it will be same for the F grade, you need improvement. So that is how we use if and else statements in the C# programming. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.